number 6, I believe, is asking you to write the equation of an ellipse, and they give you vertices and foci. And you'll see one like this on the quiz. So my suggestion is just do a quick sketch graph. It doesn't have to be pretty, but it will give you the idea of which form you're looking for. So you have -3 up 4. There's one of the vertices. And +5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 4. And that, so I already know like it's going to look like this somehow. So I'm already thinking that this thing is horizontal. Horizontal. So I'm looking for x minus h squared over a squared, not b squared, plus y minus k squared over b squared equals 1. And then I also have these guys, -1, 4, and 3, 4. So my task is to figure out what's h, what's k, what's b, and what's a, given that information. So you need to know all of your definitions. First thing, figure out hk. Hk has to fall exactly halfway between the vertices. Notice in all of these, the 4 didn't change. Therefore, the 4 won't change for hk. Right? I know it's somewhere like right in the middle, and it's definitely up 4. So I can just go like, let's go like this. Let's just replace that with a 4. And then, how do I find halfway between the two x values? -3 and +5. I could add them and divide by 2. Or I could just count from a picture. Right, that's how I figure out half. So that gives me 2 over 2, which equals 1. So I just figured out that the center is 1, 4. Right? I could also do that with the foci. It would work the same. These guys halfway between -1 and +3 is +1. Right, now if I know what A is, A by definition is the distance from center to focus. So this coordinate we just figured out is, center to vertex. This is 1, 4. So how far apart are, what's this guy? This is 5, 4. How far apart are 5 and 1? 4. Therefore, I just figured out that this is 16. And then B, I don't have B actually. It doesn't tell me what B is, right? B is this distance right here. But I do know what C is, so I can use this. So C is what? How far from the question? 2, sorry. C is how far from center, 1, to focus, 3, which is a distance of 2. So I'm going to go C squared is 4. A squared I just figured out is 16. And I have to solve that for B squared. But I can just look at that until it's 12, right? Or use algebra. So I just figured out that this is 12. There's my answer. All right.